This is the 7th of March recap. Today I had McDonald's breakout. I spotted this breakout on the 5-minute time frame. I have an uptrend, and my target, as you can see, on top of the range. I'm going with 3 small positions. The market was tricky today, so better stay small and 3 positions so I can manage the trade. Here we go. Still have more sellers on the ask more than the bid, but the market is absorbing them. Here we go, almost hitting my target. I have 2 more positions to close, and I'm out. This is McDonald's recap for today, 8th of March. What I'm expecting is McDonald's will try to close the gap up here, where is the point of control. And on the left you can see my daily time frame, and on my right is the hourly time frame. Also, the levels I like to confirm with the Fibonacci, because we've been on a downtrend for. As you can see, I confirmed my point of control with the Fibonacci at 0.618 and the level above. So I have clear targets on the upside. On the other hand, on the downside, I'm looking at the 2nd of March range. The day range, as you can see, I'll mark it here. That's the high, that's the low. So in case of a bearish scenario, once we cross this range here of the 2nd of March, we might look at a drop at this level here, where is the point of control of the 2nd of March. So hopefully it won't be a bearish scenario for this week. I'm looking forward for McDonald's to keep breaking up higher highs towards closing the gap. And have a profitable week, everyone.